Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. This is new direction to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss Z mains previous years questions and solutions for physics. Okay, the first thing what we concentrate is what information given in the question and what are the formulas involved in that question and what is the concept involved in it. This all I will tell you step by step. And most important thing, how quickly you can solve the problem. That is the most important thing. Time is crucial. Within the time you have to solve the problem. That all we will discuss in this video. Keep watch forward, you will understand very clearly. Vishnu, you read this question?
A simple pendulum made of a string of length L and a bob of mass M is released from a small angle of theta naught. It strikes a block of mass M kept on a horizontal surface at its lowest point of oscillation. Elastically, it bounces back and goes up to an angle theta 1. Then capital M is given by.
Okay, thank you. This is a question given. This question, no, it will take more than 2 minutes. You should judge and accordingly you have to attempt. In the second visit, better to attempt. Okay. You see the information given is simple pendulum. String length is given, that is L. One bob of mass M is given, small m. Released from a small angle theta naught also given. It strikes the block capital M which is kept on the horizontal surface. Okay. So it collide with elastically means kinetic energy conserved and momentum also conserved, and it bounce back. It is not coming back to angle of theta naught, it is coming back to some angle theta 1. Definitely theta 1 is less than theta naught. With these conditions given, we have to calculate what is the mass of the block kept on the horizontal surface. Okay, these are the options given, out of which is correct we have to find. You see here, you are seeing solution now. You open the solution. In the first case, the pendulum small m, it is making angle theta naught from the vertical direction. From the vertical direction, it is making angle theta naught. Now I left it. What happens? It will oscillate, no? It will move downward. When it is coming to the bottommost point, it is hitting one object of mass capital M which is at rest. You see the second figure, because of it hit, this capital M moves left side. Okay, capital M is moving left side because this small m collided elastically. This means some part of energy of small m transfer to capital M. So when it is coming back after hitting this capital M, the small m is coming back. So coming back to angle theta 1. This theta 1 is less than theta naught, because in the second case some part of kinetic energy or some part of total energy is lost. That is why it cannot come back to original. So for this given conditions, we have to find out what is the mass capital M in terms of small m. Okay, this problem we can solve by two concepts: total energy conservation and total momentum conservation. Okay, see here in the left side figure is there, downward I have written simple for collisions, no, for two objects, here small m and capital M. So initial velocity u1 u2, and after collision final velocity v1 v2. Okay, so when before collision the small m reached the bottommost point. At the bottommost point, what is the velocity we have to calculate? That is very simple. So initially it is some height, no? So that is L minus L cos theta naught. When it is moving from angle theta naught to 0, So the total height it has traveled downward is L into 1 minus cos theta 0. MGH, it is just like MGH formula, H is equal to L into 1 minus cos theta 0. This MGH must be equal to half mu1 square. So with this we can calculate what is u1. u1 equal to square root of GL theta naught. Here the most important thing, another information also given, these angles theta naught and theta 1, they are small angles. For small angles there is approximation. This 1 minus cos theta naught equal to theta naught square by 2. How it will come? This is expansion of cos theta naught. Cos theta expansion is there. That cos theta expansion is 1 minus theta square by 2 factorial plus theta power 4 by 4 factorial minus theta power 6 by 6 factorial and so on. For small angles, theta power 4, theta power 6, theta power 8, you can neglect. So this is 1 minus cos theta naught. So that's why you will get theta naught square by 2. So this is approximation we have to use because he has given condition for small angle. So simply I am writing u1 equal to square root of GL theta naught आता है because half cancel होता है. You got to substitute, simply substitute. 1 minus cos theta naught is theta naught square by 2. Substitute, you will get u1 equal to square root of GL into theta naught. u2 is initial speed of the capital M, that is 0, it is at rest. Okay. Now similarly you see the right side, the figure v1 is velocity of or speed of small m after collision, that is equal to square root of GL theta 1. It is similar to the previous one. How I solved theta 1, why I took, because it has come back to angle theta 1. That is the reason I am writing directly v1 equal to square root of GL theta 1. v2 is velocity of capital M after collision. Here some formulas, collisions of two objects, one formula is there that you should remember. Directly I am substituting. v2 equal to m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into u2 plus 2m1 u1 by m1 plus m2. That formula you should remember. In that formula if you substitute v2 you will get like this, 2m by m plus capital M into square root of GL theta naught. Now you know v1, v2, u1, u2. Conservation of total momentum. m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. No? Simply you substitute. After substituting, you will get like this equation. u1 you are substituting square root of GL theta naught, and this v2 you are substituting and v1 you are substituting. Finally you will get theta naught equal to minus theta 1 plus 2 capital M by m plus small m theta naught. So you have to do some simplifications. You see the right side. Finally you will get, after simplification, capital M equal to m into theta naught plus theta 1 divided by theta naught minus theta 1. Finally we got the answer. These are the lengthy calculations only, but with practice you can do in 3 minutes में कर सकता है. मतलब second visit you have to do. In the first visit of the question paper you should not do because it is lengthy calculations. It will take more time. You will get fear, time lost करके. So this kind of problems you have to selectively leave in the first session. Means when you are reading the questions first time, no, that time you should leave this. First time you solve the easy problems, and second time when you are going you solve this kind of problems. You got it, Ra?